Alright, we're on attack now. I'm gonna actually play some Overwatch.
Okay.
Cyber.
Yeah, you're right. That's enough of just Overwatch. I mean, broadcasting. Sorry.
Excuse me, love.
Excuse me, C Fox. Do you mind subscribing to my YouTube? I'm just kidding. Don't actually do that, please.
Yes, please check me out on twitch.tv/funshuidingbong.
Meme.
You can either leave the game or witness the power of children's knowledge.
Big
Big Siberian bear, no! No Siberian bear. No, take that down. No, take that down. This is graffiti. No, only one Zarya afraid. No, terrible.
Hold on.
Wait, Jackson, sneeze. No, I don't mean it.
Am I gonna have to be
I
the
mean
healer?
with Genji.
Am I gonna have to be the healer?
The healer.
Lucas, I don't think we need a healer. I think we're good.
The fuck?
You are the second.
You got me, Jackson. You got me.
I just got shot by Hanzo.
I'm not.
You're not a healer.
I'm not the second Zarya. I'm the third Zarya.
Oh, I see.
Boy.
Triggered.
I guess I'll be the healer.
Hi, I'm Rick Harrison.
And this is my pawn shop.
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop.
I work here with my old man and my son.
Big Hoss.
Kill the mate. Kill the mate. If you don't kill the mate, I'm gonna be.
I got
There you
him.
go,
I
mate.
got that.
Point, guys. Don't trickle in. What? Vita.
There we go. Thank
What? Guys, it kicked me. I'm gonna try and rejoin.
you. Wait, it kicked you?
Why?
Yeah, it just said connection lost.
Oh, for
Probably DDoSed by Poodley Crop.
what? No, it says you're in the
Oh,
game.
you're still here.
I know. I can reconnect.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you already died, though. Just end your life.
Crawling.
Finally down.
Wait, how have we not capped this point?
I don't know.
Because we have three, sorry.
No,
Yeah, that's why. Never mind.
Ronan, you could make it too.
Alright, I might. Well, let's.
I have 3 golds. Everyone else get off Zarya.
No.
The other one's
Zarya,
still
I mean
okay, we have
Zarya,
two
not
Zaryas.
you, alright?
Boy,
Yeah, stop
boy,
doing Zarya,
boy.
Nah.
Ah.
Stop.
I have 9.
Stop
78.
trickling in. Stop trickling. You're triggering me.
I have 17.
I will not falter.
I really got. Guys, if you're a tank, can you just at least tank? Like, that's the point of being a tank, right?
That's what I'm
Wow,
doing.
really?
Yeah.
Revolutionary, I'm telling you.
Yeah, I know, but I don't see much of a tank.
I've got my ult.
Come on, take him down, take him down.
Boom, boom, boom. Why aren't you dead?
That was all me.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, you guys are welcome. See, I'm a team player unlike this other filthy Zarya.
Oh, I got frozen. Oh, got him. Got him.
We did it. We did something right. Good job, guys.
See, look at the scrub tier Zarya.
You have to.
She can't even hover. And she doesn't even have a skin.
You can't even fly.
I'm sorry, Kit. I'm pretty sure I'm doing better than you.
No, because I taught it for longer.
No, he can hug.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm gonna live, I think. If I don't, I live.
Dun 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 dun.
Kill that. Thank you.
Raw XD means help me in giraffe.
Oh wow.
Does it?
I didn't know you spoke giraffe.
Boy, do
Well,
you
he
even
is
hover?
part giraffe. His father is a giraffe.
I thought Dad was
Boys, I could actually do this. See, without me, we'd all be useless. We'd
Oh,
all
I'm
be
coming,
useless. Come on, go forth. Yes, boys. No, come on, I need to win this.
Oh boy, that was nice.
Wait, was that a cheeky end of game play of the game?
Yeah.